In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove focused inbox in Outlook so all of your emails appear in a single list instead of being split between focused and other. If you've ever missed an important message because Outlook decided it wasn't important enough, this quick fix will save you a lot of frustration. This works for Outlook on the web and most modern Outlook versions, and it only takes a minute to change. Before we jump in, if you find this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple, step-by-step Outlook and productivity tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open Outlook and make sure you're signed in to the account where you want to remove focused inbox. Once Outlook is open, look at the top right corner of the screen and click on the Settings icon. This is the small gear icon next to your profile picture. Clicking this will open the Outlook Settings panel. In some versions, you'll see a quick settings menu appear on the right side of the screen. From here, scroll or look through the options until you find Mail. Click on Mail to expand the mail-related settings. Under Mail, click on Layout. This section controls how your inbox and messages are displayed. Now, look for the option labeled Focused Inbox. By default, Outlook usually has this turned on, which means it automatically sorts your emails into Focused and Other tabs. To remove Focused Inbox, select the option that says Don't Sort My Messages. As soon as you choose this option, Outlook will stop separating your emails and will show everything in one unified inbox. Depending on your Outlook version, you may see a Save button appear at the bottom or top of the settings panel. If you do see a Save button, make sure to click it to apply the changes. If you don't see a Save button, don't worry, Outlook may apply the setting automatically. After saving, close the settings panel by clicking the X or clicking outside the panel. Now go back to your inbox. You should notice that the Focused and Other tabs are gone, and all of your emails are displayed together in chronological order. This makes it much easier to see every message as it arrives, and ensures nothing important gets hidden. If you ever decide you want Focused Inbox back, you can follow the same steps and turn it on again from the same settings menu. And that's it. You've successfully removed Focused Inbox in Outlook. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Outlook tips, software tutorials, and easy productivity guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.